Ever dreamt of flying? Let's drift over Kavaratti Island's pristine jetty. Imagine gliding above azure waters where the sky kisses the sea, the Kavaratti Island Fisheries. Jetty stretches out like a tranquil pathway, inviting you to explore its serene beauty. From above, watch boats gently bobbing as fishermen prepare their nets, embraced by the island's lush green embrace. It's a dance of nature. A blend of turquoise and emerald, a perfect harmony. Feel the peace as your drone captures the rhythm of island life, the sun casting golden hues on crystal clear waves. Every angle reveals a new marvel, every moment a serene escape. So, grab your remote, let's navigate together. This is your invitation to Kavaratti. Where every flight tells a story of beauty and tranquility.